Ford F250 Superduty Lariat. What I'm doing here is I'm fixing a fuck up that I did. A mess up, if you will. I did this. I was installing some RGB lights. Done it on all the other sides. Sorry, my camera skills ain't the best. See? Bam. We got lights at night. So I came to do this one. I saw the tank on this side, so I figured ain't nothing wrong with it. This is our replacement tank. You can see it sits in there. Battery sits in there. Had to take out this bolt from up there, this bolt. I believe this bolt, another bolt here. And this guy here has a purpose. So I'm gonna find, oh, it ends up being this one. It's an extra one. No, I'm lying. This guy here goes right under here. Has to go in there. That's also hooked up to the bottom of this right here. It's that one. In there, under there. Now I'm going to take this one out. Got it already halfway pulled out. Give me a second, folks. Okay, got this pulled out. Now we got this. I saw that the other one had 3 holes. That's what them 3 holes are for. So I guess Ford just makes shit as hard as possible. But I'm already into it, so I've got to get her done. So I'm gonna take this apart, pause the video, take this apart, and maybe bolt up the other one and set it down. Actually, when I got it taken apart, I'm gonna go ahead and install the other RGB light, because now I see where I can and cannot put stuff. So, all right, folks, I'll be back.